Good morning. In this video, we will be discussing about introduction of class 7, chapter 1 and chapter 2, that is nutrition in plants and nutrition in animals. So, it is very difficult to differentiate a living organism and a non-living object, and it is also difficult to give a proper definition of a life. When we see movements such as frog jumping or a monkey eating fruits or the children playing in the park, we come to know that these are living beings. That's just our assumption in our mind. We have certain criteria to assign an object as living or as non-living. We know that plants do not jump or eat fruits or shout or play, but they are considered as living beings because they possess the characteristic features of living organism. But viruses do not show any characteristic features of living beings when they remain outside the host, but once when they enter into the body of the host, they start their molecular movement and become very active. It is because of the dual nature of virus with which we consider the virus as connecting links between living and non-living things. On the basis of characteristic features of living beings, we come to a definition such as living things or complex organizations of molecules which perform certain life processes such as growth, metabolism, reproduction, nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion that distinguish them from non living matter. Life processes are the process which together keep the living organism alive and perform the job of body maintenance. They occur when we are asleep or when we are doing work or we are just sitting. There are four main life processes. They are nutrition, respiration, transport, excretion. In these two chapters, we will be discussing about the first important life processes, that is nutrition. Nutrition is a process by which the organism obtain and utilize the nutrients. These nutrients are the source of energy which come from outside the body of an individual organism. Since the earth depend on carbon based molecules such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, most of these nutrients are also carbon based. Nutrition of different organisms involve different processes. Plant nutrition involves the process of photosynthesis in which the green plants synthesize carbohydrate with the help of carbon based one such as carbon dioxide and sunlight. Animal nutrition involves taking of food inside the body and its digestion. We will have this chapter as part of class 10 chapter life processes. So this chapter is one of the important chapter in this class. Thank you.